Boom! Boom! There you go. Awesomeness. Tough truck. Ben, say hi to your fans, bro. Carissa and Ben's brand new 2021 Nissan Navarra on its first maiden voyage. Hey guys, how's it so far? We're gonna do a Kinabuan Falls attempt. Yeah, sexy truck, the Pro 4X. That was too easy.
Never helped on the entry. I couldn't see shit on the entry.
Cause no, the nose was up, so.
Yeah, it's got a big nose.
Okay, second river, a bit deep. Go, 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 go! Yeah, boy! Damn! Bewang, boss! The brand new Nissan Navarra Pro 4X does its third river crossing. Medyo malalim siya. Tingnan natin. Yeah, boy! Easy does it. Oh, fuck, I'm wet again. Fuck me. Fourth river crossing. Okay. But the Navarra is holding up. Well, the comments from the owners is that, okay, done with the fourth river crossing. The comment is the only downside of the new Navarra is the fuel consumption has, there you go. Fuel consumption has been, it's more thirsty versus the previous check. One of the strange things in Mother Nature is you can't really control it. Look, so this road's flooded, but there's a bike which went by. So this is how we are right now. Yes. And we're gonna pursue. And shit. That's the broken glass I punched yesterday. Stupid mother. This happened yesterday because there was this beggar who punched my car, so I punched the windshield. And this was aggravated by a supposed friend who turned out to be assholes. Alright? Awesome! Nice!